The Industrial Revolution began in Europe, transforming society, industry, and human life in powerful and lasting ways.
Europe once moved slowly, powered by human hands, animals, and simple tools. Villages thrived on farming, craftsmanship, and traditions passed down through generations. Production was limited, goods were scarce, and transportation relied on horses and rough roads. As populations grew, demand increased, pushing societies toward change and new solutions. A quiet pressure built, the need for faster production and greater efficiency became unavoidable. In Britain, a transformation began, changing the course of history forever. The invention of the steam engine unlocked new power beyond human and animal strength. Inventors and engineers experimented relentlessly, shaping machines that could work endlessly. Manual labor slowly gave way to mechanical force, redefining how work was done. Factories emerged, bringing workers together under one roof, driven by machines and schedules. The textile industry became the first to experience rapid industrial growth. Machines spun threads and wove fabrics faster than any human ever could. Mass production began, goods were created in large quantities at unprecedented speed. Industrial cities expanded quickly, attracting people searching for jobs and new opportunities. Rural populations migrated into cities, creating dense urban centers filled with workers. Factory conditions were harsh, with dangerous machines and unhealthy working environments. Women and children joined the workforce, often paid less and treated unfairly. Workers endured long hours, sometimes over 12 hours a day, with minimal rest. A new working class emerged, defined by labor, struggle, and survival in industrial cities. Social inequality grew wider, separating the wealthy industrialists from the struggling poor. Workers began to protest, demanding better wages, safer conditions, and fair treatment. Some groups destroyed machines, fearing they would replace human labor completely. Labor unions started forming, uniting workers to fight for their rights collectively. Governments slowly responded, introducing laws to regulate working hours and conditions. Over time, reforms improved lives, though the struggle for fairness continued. The Industrial Revolution spread beyond Britain, influencing Europe and the wider world. Railways and steamships transformed transportation, connecting cities and nations like never before. Modern capitalism expanded, driven by industry, innovation, and global trade networks. Technological progress accelerated, shaping the foundations of the modern world we know today. The world was changed forever, as industry reshaped society, economy, and human life.